What it do, y'all? It's your boy Dons, and we back with another video, man. Feels good to be back, always, man. Y'all know we gonna be continue to put out lit banger videos. But before I continue with this video, man, I just want to say, I hope everybody's subscribing to the channel, man. Make sure y'all comment on the videos, and make sure y'all like the videos too, man. It will help your boy out, help the algorithm out. You know what I'm saying? And help it get the name out there. You feel me? So at the end of the day, it's whatever, but man, come on, man. Make sure y'all hit that red subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that blue like button. And make sure y'all comment on the video down below, man. Because I want to interact with y'all, man. Let me know what y'all think of some shit that I be doing. Shit that I don't do. Shit that I miss. Shit that I don't miss. But without further ado, man, we got a job this morning, man. And the customer is a returning customer, and she trusts us with her car. So we got a 2008 Honda Accord right here. We're gonna do front lower control arms on it. We got the control arms right here. These are labeled per side, so RH for right hand side, and then you got LH for left hand side. So we're gonna do some front lower control arms this morning. And like I said, the customer trusts us, trust me, trust us as a unit. And by unit, I mean Jackpot Garage. So y'all not hip? Jackpot Garage. Follow Jackpot Garage on Instagram. I'll put the information right there. But that's the mechanic page, man. So Jackpot Garage is me and my brother Aruna, which y'all know, everybody knows by now, or should know by now. Me and Aruna came up with Jackpot ENT. So that's our mechanic shit, man. So make sure y'all follow the mechanic page down below. We will soon make a YouTube for it as well. But without further ado, let me set everything up. Let me flip this camera around, and we're gonna be right back with y'all. All right, y'all, we back with it, man. Got the passenger side on there. Wheel is back on. Let me see it. Get on this ground. See if I can get this beauty shot for y'all. Yeah, that brand new control arm on the passenger side right here. So we got everything all nutted and bolted back up. Everything torqued. Hamstring. But yeah, we got this side. This side gave me a little problem. We had a little setback with this side because let me get back down on the ground for y'all again. The axle had popped out. See if I can get in here. The axle had popped out a little bit right here, and you can feel like, fuck, I forget what they're called. Not gears, but fuck, I forgot what they're called. Excuse me. But the axle had popped out right here, so little setback. I had to get that pushed back in. It took a little finagling to get it back in, but it's in there. Got the wheel off on the driver's side, but to get the driver's side done. The tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need some hammers, for sure. Okay, little sandpaper or sand pad to clean the bolts up. You don't really need the cutters, but get it some anyway. Some needle nose pliers, vice grips. You're gonna need some vice grips. You're gonna need a 17 socket, 3/8 or 1/2 inch, whichever size you want to use. You need a 19 socket, 3/8 or 1/2 inch, again, whatever you want to use. You're gonna need a punch. Don't necessarily need a flathead screwdriver, but it did come in handy for those certain parts. As you see, we got the 1/2 inch ratchet out. We got the 3/8 ratchet out. Gonna need pry bars for sure. We got some grease to help us lube up to get the control arm to slide in there easily. WD-40 just to loosen up some bolts. Brake clean just to clean up a little dirt, whatever. But you don't really need brake clean though. But these essentials you do need though, for sure. Yeah, so we got the brand new control arm right here, left hand side. Once again, make sure you guys are putting the control arms on the correct side. This is the old one. Let me see if I can show y'all the damages. Let me see. Well, this one don't look that too horrific, but on the car you can see it, like the bushing was just like stretching. Usually these bushings like start to crack and dry rot, but it's like dry rotting. You can see it up in here. You can see it's cracking. It's not the worst, definitely not the worst I've seen, but but you could definitely see some cracks in there and stuff. But I'm excited to get this side off because let me see how bad you can see. Yeah, you can see the control arm flex. Camera focus. Yeah, you can see it cracked right there and right there. And all back here. I don't know if the camera pick it up. Oh, camera picks up pretty nicely. All back in there. But yeah, let's get this off. So this bolt right here, you got to get from underneath. This bolt you get from underneath. That's a 19. This one, this is a 19 for the ball joint. This one, 17. This is a 17. It goes to the strut. What else? The sway bar end link, which is a 14. What else? What am I missing? What am I missing? This one back here. This is a that's a 17 as well. And then we got another one somewhere off. Then, well, I took the tie rod off on the other side. You don't really need to take the tie rod off. I took it off on the other side, but we're not gonna take it off on this one. And that's it. So let's get it, man. Let's start taking this stuff apart. Alright guys, that took a little while. This bolt that goes here gave me the most trouble. As you guys can see, as I was loosening it before I did the fast forward. Yeah, the camera fell. I yanked it, hit the camera fell. So that one gave me a little problem, but nevertheless we got it. So now we're gonna take our big ass hammer and we're gonna whack the fuck, excuse my language, we're gonna whack the bottom right here to get it. We're gonna whack the bottom right here, not on the never on the actual ball joint or the the splines part. Always hit the side of the control arm, like right here or the other side. Well, I'm gonna go for the other side because I got more leverage that way and more space. So I'm gonna whack that, pop this loose. Actually the control arm is ready to come out, so actually what I'll do is I'll get the control arm out of place first. Let me set you guys back up real quick, and then I'm gonna get the pry bar. I'm gonna pry right here, and I'm gonna pry back here to get the control arm out, and then I'm gonna hit the bottom. I'm gonna hit the side of the control arm down here where the ball joint is, so I can so we can officially crack that loose. So let me set y'all back down right here in the nice little spot I had y'all. Whew. Yeah, I hit y'all again. I'm sorry. And I'm on the ground. Quite comfortable, but my ass hurts. But hey. Alright, y'all. Sorry. I don't know what's going on with my hands right now, man. Hey, y'all got the Crockies on, man. Hell yeah. Hey, shout out to Mark, though, man. Because Mark gave me these joints, bruh. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. These joints are comfortable. I would literally wear these joints every day. Every day I wear these joints. But yeah, as you see, we got the old control arm off. I can see more of the cracks right here. Yeah, right here. And the dry rotting. Let's see, on this side. Yep, same thing on this side. You see the cracks right here and right here. And obviously when it's in there, so when it's in here, it flexes more, So, nothing we can do as far as that. And I think the same thing I did with this side, with the other side I did with this side. Axle kind of popped out. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to deal with that again. But I think this side's easier. This side's a little easier than that side. So, Let me get this axle pop back in again for the side, and then we'll be right back. Update, man. This gave me a little problems, but we got it. We got the axle in. More easier than the other side. The other side was just annoying and getting on my freaking nerves and driving me crazy. But we got this axle in. We got the control arm in place. As I can see, I had our big BAH, our big ass hammer. We had our ba. But yeah, man, we got this in place. So I still just need to maneuver just a little bit to get the bolts in. Same thing with this right here. And once that, everything else will be lined up in place. And I ended up taking this tie rod off just because, like, I just feel like it really gave me more flexibility and more like leverage and space. So like now I can just fully rotate the hub and knuckle, you know, full side to side. So once I took that off, that really gave me the space I needed. They gave me the space I needed to get the control arm in place. But to get control arm in place right here and then get the control arm in place over here. So both sides I had to take this off because it gave me more space. Personally, just my opinion. This is just for me. That helped me out a lot. So with that being said, I'm gonna sit you guys back down, and then it's just the reverse way of taking it out. So I'm probably hit y'all with a little fast forward action, and then yeah, we just gonna tighten everything. All right, y'all, we are back with it, man. Everything is back on the car, bolted up, torqued. Cotter pins are back in. I had a little trouble with getting this side of the control arm lined in. Well, obviously with the whole thing. So like I told you guys in the last clip, did end up taking this out to give me more leverage and space to do everything. And once I took that out, and this was in the hub, could fully swing side to side, it gave me the space that I needed to get that back in, to get this side in. I had jumped the gun, I had tightened this, and I had put the sway bar end link back in for I forget, for this bolt right here, for this one right there. I jumped the gun, I had tightened bolts that I shouldn't have tightened at the time. Camera focus, it's a little dark, but this bolt right here, I had troubles getting the strut lined up, the strut holes lined up with the holes on the control arm. So I had to loosen this bolt, and I had to take the sway bar end link back out. Like I said, I jumped the gun, but nevertheless, man, we got it. Everything's back on. I'm gonna put the wheel back on. Obviously, man, I'm not gonna show you guys none of that really, but I will put the wheel back on, and then I'm gonna test the car, test drive the car, do the side to side and things like that. So the video is not over yet, but it's theoretically over. But I'm gonna throw the wheel back on. I'm actually, since I got this like this, this corner bulb needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that, and a reverse light, one of the reverse bulbs in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these bulbs as well, and then I'll get back with y'all, man. All right, y'all, back at it, man. Car is back on the ground. As you can see, the wheels are on, the wheels are tight, the wheels are torqued. I'm spitting and shit, excuse me. But yeah, the car's back on the ground, man. It took me longer than like I anticipated or wanted to. I told myself, honestly, like an hour and a half, I would have it done. And I would have, honestly, if the axle didn't pop out on the passenger side, because that was really gave me the most problems with it. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna. It is what it is, man. With that, I think it was about 2.5, 3 hours. Almost 3 hours, about 2.5, 3 hours, because I think it started at like 9 o'clock, I want to say, or so, and then I was done at like 12:30, around 12:30, 12:45. But with that being said, man, I'm about to end the video right here. I have not tested had not test drove the car yet. About to now. About to test drive the car with the customer. I'm not gonna film that. I'm about to end the video right here, but if you guys do want to see the review, test drive, and the review with the customer, go follow JackpotGarage right here. So follow Jackpot Garage right there, then you'll get all the not like exclusive content, but you'll get like test drives, you know, reviews with customers. You'll get test drives with just me, or whether it's me or Aruna or whoever it is, man. But yeah, make sure y'all follow Jackpot Garage right there, man. Once again, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Press that red subscribe button down below and click on turn on your notifications too. Give the video a blue thumbs up if you guys like this video, if you enjoyed this video, if the video helped you or helped a friend out. And make sure you guys comment, man, because I want to interact, man. I want to interact with y'all, okay? So make sure y'all comment below, man. With that being said, man, we out. On to the next video.